Okay, dear student, yesterday we have solved that question number 1 of 1.3. Question number 2 has not been solved completely. Another method was there. So I repeat today's portion from question number 2, second main, first one once again I will solve that once again. So solution of first one, 7 plus 10 integer 1 by 2 plus 14 plus dash dash up to plus 84. See, so far we have solved only the 20th term of this given AP or 10th term of given AP, but today the last term is given. This solving method is little bit different from the previous one. So considering this AP, A equals to 7, D equals to A2 minus A1, that is 10 integer 1 by 2 minus 7, that is equals to 21 by 2 minus 7, LCM 2, 2 1 za, 1 2 za, 21 minus 14, that is equals to 7 by 2. That is common difference is 7 by 2. Okay. After getting 7 by 2, we have to utilize the last term to finding the nth term. So now An equals to A plus n minus 1 into B. Here nth term is given, that is Anth. So Anth is 84. A, we know that 7 plus n minus 1 into D is 7 by 2. A is 7 by 2. Okay. 84 minus 7 equals to 84 minus 7 equals to n minus 1 into 7 by 2. That is equals to 77 n minus 1 into 7 by 2. Okay, 7 by 2 is the coefficient of n minus 1. So when we transfer that one, we get the reciprocal of this one. 2 by 7 equals to n minus 1. So 7 1 za, 7 11 za. That is 11 2 za, 22 equals to n minus 1. Therefore 22 plus 1 equals to n equals to 23. See, they have asked us to calculate the Snth, that is the sum of the given terms. Sum means there are 23 terms. So we have to take n as 23 by applying the formula Snth equals to n by 2 in the big bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So, Snth, that is S23. 23 by 2 in the bracket 2 into 7 plus 23 minus 1 into d, 7 by 2. By substituting the values of 10, then 23 by 2 in the square bracket 7 2s are 14 plus 23 minus 1, 22 into 7 by 2. 23 minus 1, 22 into 7 by 2. That is 2 1 the 2 11 the. So 23 by 2 in the bracket 14 plus 11 sevens are 77. Then after simplification 23 by 2 into 7 plus 4 11 carry 1 7 plus 2 9 91. So 77 plus 14 how much? 91. So multiplication of 23 into 91 divided by 2. We have to multiply in a rough case. That is 91 into 23. That is 3 1s are 3. 3 9s are 27. Into 2 1s are 2. 2 9s are 18. Like this. 2093 divided by 2. Yes, 23. You can keep this answer in the mixed fraction also. Mixed fraction means we have to divide this one. 2093 divided by 2. 2 1s are 2. 10. 2 4s are 8. 13. 2 6s are 12. That is 1. That is equal to 1046. That is the last. That means that is 1046. 152. See, we have used the essence. There are two formula. When the last term is given, there is one formula. If you don't know the when the formula of last term is given, you have to use this one. Another easy method is there to calculate the sum of that terms by using that Sn equals to n by 2 in the bracket a plus l, or see the 84 last term is given. So n by 2, that is 23 by 2, a 7 plus l last term 84, that is equals to 23 by 2 into 91. Similar answer we will get, that is 2093 by 2 or 1046 integer 1 by 2. This is also easy one when the last term is given. That is Sn equals to n by 2 a plus l. You can also use this formula. If you have the perfectness in that keeping the formula intact, so you have to use this one Sn equals to n by 2 a plus l. Okay, see once again. If you doubt regarding this one, see, I will solve here once again that simplification. Here last term is given an equals to 84, that implies L. So Sn equals to n by 2 when last term is given a plus l or a plus n. N by 2 is nothing but 23 by 2. A is the 7 plus 84. We have 23 by 2 into 91. We will get the 2093 by 2. After converting into mixed fraction, 1046 1 by 2. See, this is the method how to solve when sum of given APs are asked. Okay, let us move to the second one. See, the second is 34 plus 32 plus 38 plus dash dash plus 10. See, 34, 32, 38 plus 10. That is given. A equals to 34. B equals to A2 minus A1. That is equals to 32 minus 34, which is equals to minus 2. That is D. Here Anth is given. Anth equals to 10. We may call this as L, last term. That implies L. N you have to find. Snth we have to find. Okay. Let us find that nth term of this given AP. We know Anth equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. Anth 10 equals to A 34 plus n minus 1 D equals to minus 2. So 10 equals to 34 plus minus 2n minus into minus plus 2 multiply. Then 10 equals to 34 plus 2 36 minus 2n. So transferring the terms, 2n equals to 36 minus 10. 2n equals to 36 minus 10 means 26. N equals to 26 by 2. 2 ones are 2 3s are. That is n equals to 13. There are 13 terms. N equals to 13. By using that Snth equals to n by 2 in the bracket A plus L, because last term is given. So S13 equals to 13 by 2 in the big bracket A plus L 34 plus 10. 34 plus 10, that is equals to 13 by 2. That is equal to 13 by 2 into 44. So 2 ones are 2 22s are. That is equal to 13 into 22. 13 2s are 26, carry 2. 13 2s are 26 plus 2, 28. So S13 is 286. You can also apply the long format formula. That is Snth equals to n by 2 in the big bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. That is S13 equals to 13 by 2, 2 into, that is 34 plus 13 minus 1 into d. How much we got? D 30. 13 minus 1, d equals to minus 2. Then 13 by 2 in the big bracket 78 plus 12 into minus 2. That is 13 by 2, 78 minus 24. 13 by 2 into 44. 2 ones are 2 22s are. That is equals to 286. Yes, 13. Same answer we got by applying either Snth equals to n by 2 or n by 2 in the bracket a plus l, or Snth equals to n by 2 to a plus n minus 1 into d. See the solution. Then you have to solve when I give the some homeworks for you without fail, because this type of problems in AP are very important one. Every problem carries 2 marks. See, in exercise 1.3, third one, that is minus 5 plus minus 8 plus minus of 11 plus minus of 230. See, method is same. Let us solve this one. A equals to minus 5. B equals to A2 minus A1. That is minus 8 minus of minus 5. That is equals to minus 8 plus 5, which is equals to minus 3. B equals to minus 3. Then An is given, that is An equals to minus 230. So we need N and Sn. Okay, An equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. An minus 230 equals to A minus 5 plus N minus 1 into D, that is minus 3. Okay, minus 230 plus 5 equals to N minus 1 into minus 3, that is minus 225 equals to N minus 1 into minus 3. This is the minus 3 is the coefficient of N minus 1. So minus 225 divided by minus 3 equals to N minus 1. Then 3 ones are 3 sevens are 3 fives are. Okay, minus into minus plus, 75 equals to N minus 1. 75 plus 1 equals to N. Therefore, N equals to 76. Therefore, N equals to 76. Again, using the Sn equals to N by 2 in the big bracket A plus L. See, how much we got N? N equals to N 76 equals to 76 by 2. by 2 into minus 235. That is equal to 2 on the 238 the 38 into minus 235. That is equals to minus 8930 plus 76 equals to say in the third main there are more than 12 questions in the third main. This one is the first one. Given A equals to 5, B equals to 3, A and B equals to 5. They have asked us to find N and Sn. Okay, given A5, B3, An 50. Okay, this much they have given. We have to use the suitable formula, that is An equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. An how much? 50. Then A5 plus N minus 1 into D 3. 50 equals to 5 plus 3 into n, 3n. This is minus 3. 50 minus 5 equals to 3n minus 3. That is 45 equals to 3n minus 3. 45 plus 3 equals to 3n. Therefore, 45 plus 3, 48 equals to 3n. n equals to 48 by 3. 3 ones are 3 6 are. n equals to 16. n equals to 16. Also, you can convert this. You can simplify in a different way also. Instead of multiplying, you have to transfer this one, then multiply this one, then n minus 1 for this way. 50 minus 5 equals to n minus 1 into 3. 45 by 3 equals to n minus 1. 3 ones are 3 15s are 15 equals to n minus 1. 15 plus 1 equals to n. n equals to 16. Same answer you will get. Suppose if you want to simplify in this method, n equals to 16, or this method also you can solve n equals to 16. So I have solved that. I have calculated n in this pattern also, in this pattern also. So what we have to find? Now we have to find see the question, find n we got as 16, then snth equals to n by 2 in the big bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into b. That is n, so how much we got? 16. 16 by 2 in the big bracket 2 into a, that is 5, plus n minus 1, 16 minus 1, d how much? That is 3. So 2 ones are 2 8s are 8, 10, 2 5s are 10, plus 15 into 3, 8 in the bracket, 10 plus 15 3s are 45, that is equal to 8 into 45 plus 10, 55, that is 8 equals to 8 5s are 40, carry 4, 8 5s are 40 plus 4, 44. How much? Yes, 16 equals to 440. Yes, 16 equals to 440. You can also calculate by using the formula that when the last term is given, that is or. Snth equals to n by 2 in the bracket a plus l, that is 16 by 2 in the bracket a, 5 plus l, that is 15. 2 ones are 2 8s are, that is 8 into 55, which is equal to 440, that is S16. See, in the examination, this is the best way to calculate the Snth or S16th by using this formula. Now, for calculating practice, I am using this formula. So, in both the method I have solved, so you can practice which one is very easy. But you should remember the formula perfectly. See, this is the third main first question. So, let us continue tomorrow the next questions. I will give some more homework for your practice. Okay.